everyone, welcome back again into my channel. Today's go I found really good question. It's on the Facebook group, BRICS community. The question is, does the honeypot on the BRICS form is good enough, or the combination with the Google Captcha is better? Well, I agree with this. Both always good combined. I agree. But there are some concern for me, like there usually sometimes if you got problem with like the GDPR or something, if you live on Europe, I think, or probably in other under a region that has a concern about the policy, about the user, how this the service is tracking of the website user. So if you use Captcha, of course, it will have your like data, like IP address, and then probably another thing, I'm not sure. But that's why I think that is there any possibility that we can install or integrate the sub-host Captcha into the BRICS form? There are so many library out there on GitHub. It's open source. Not sure which one is good, but I try one of this. This is called Icon Captcha from Fabian Wenning. Fabian Wenning. I'm sorry if I spell your name wrong. And it's quite a maintain. The latest version is March 22, and I just happened to like from 1 week ago, I think, working on that, integrate this library into the BRICS form. So I will tell you the logic. It's inside a plugin. You cannot just use like plugin snippet, because you need to include the library from the GitHub itself. So you need to create a plugin and then load the library and then integrate it into your plugin file. But the concept is, or logic is, there's three main filter I use. The first is the form control, to add a checkbox control here. It's to enable or disable the Captcha included the file, like the GS, and then a CSS, and then other function from the library. The second one is to render element. I think, yeah, it's same. Like, it's not same, but the order is, it doesn't, I think it doesn't matter. To render element, which is, if you take a look at this, it will target, it needs some element which a specific class to become a placeholder of the Captcha, so the Captcha can be shown, show on those part of element. This third one is the last one is to render. Which one is that? Okay, this one. Oh no, sorry, to validate. It's to make the Captcha validation work with BRICS form submission, because I only put that on the form. So this is the front end. Let's enable it. It's actually cool, you know. So the Captcha is, the challenge is you need to select the least amount of time of icon which display the image, display the least amount of time. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So from this 8, which icon is show less, like this one, and then that's it. It's quite not common for us, because usually we use some reCAPTCHA, where we choose or select the similar image, like this. If it's fail, like, okay, let's select the most image which is shown, which is show. It will trigger the error. And yeah, the good part is you can customize it, because it does have like amount of the configuration, so you can adjust it. Okay, so let's try to send. You can adjust both the how it validate, and then the restriction, and then of course the layout. Let's see. Let's solve the captcha first. It's confusing because the image is, I cannot clearly see the image, but like I said, we can use own image. Yeah, that's good. We can use own image, and there is configuration for that. It's quite easily. Just ask the ChatGPT to do that for you. Currently I'm testing this Captcha. It's, well, if you can see here on my network, there is no external. It doesn't load from external, because yeah, everything is come from this plugin file. It's only three JavaScript file, and I think should two. This blank. This should be empty. I need to remove that. Only two script for initialize, and then from the front end settings. The second one, this is the from the library itself, and then first there is CSS file, but it's only like small kilobyte, so it's quite lightweight, I believe. I'm preparing this to be able to work with the latest version of Bricks Builder. I'm waiting for version 2 release, not a beta. So it's still beta, currently it's still beta, but yeah, I'm gonna wait for it. And later probably I'm still testing this in one of my production site. Well, I don't care if it's break or not, but I will try. I will try to, probably I will report it on the other video, how it's how the result is. Does it really work? Preventing the spammer bot, the bot spammer, or does it not? Well, so stay tuned on my channel, and as usual, see you on my next video, and happy coding. Bye bye.